Welcome back on the channel. VST here, Valence Tech. This is my S26 Ultra and I do have the European version. So EUX is the CSC. Now let me show you something. I'm gonna try call my operator and try to record a call. And the moment I start dialing and yep, the connection is there, you can see I do not have the stock recording option. Well, because call recording doesn't really work in Europe for numerous reasons, one being the GDPR. And in the past we had a solution for this that involved you connecting your phone to your PC and using some firmware to change the CSC. But starting some days ago, Fahad Ali Javed actually created an application that you can use just on your phone and, well, yeah, another phone. And this is what I'm gonna be trying to test today, because if this works, this is gonna be way much easier than just using a PC or a laptop with ADB and whatsoever. So this application is called the Sam CSC Changer. It has been on GitHub, but right now it'll land on Google Play. And also beware, you can not really do all the magic. You can only change between different variants of your phone, which means that you can only change between multi-CSCs that are available for your device model. So this means that if you have a phone that comes from a region and you only have like these 12 options for CSCs, you probably cannot use all the ones available. But I want to show you how this works. So I installed it already on my S26 Ultra and also on my S25 Ultra. Now, how the hell does this thing work? So we need a USB-C cable. I'm going to plug it on my S25 Ultra because I'm going to use the Samsung CSC Changer to change the CSC from the current one on my S26 Ultra, which is the EUX, to something from Thailand, because I know they support call recording. So I hooked it up and now I just get this USB connection request, allow Sam CSC to access Samsung Android. So I'm going to press OK, and as I'm pressing OK, a serial link is being established, because remember, I'm using a USB-C cable to USB-C cable connecting to my S26 Ultra. Now my S25 Ultra already knows, oh, you have connected the SMS948B, which is my S26 Ultra, and yep, luckily for me, I have multi-OXM, which means I have a lot of options and I can potentially try to use a lot of these CSC calls. Now, what I want to do right now, I'll go and search for something starting with T. All right, so we have TEL for Thailand and THL. I'm going to stick to the THL because it has some nice cool features. And now you can see this is my S26 Ultra. I'm going to click on execute pipeline. All right, both phones are connected via my USB-C cable and I'm going to press execute now. All right, I don't need to have the application open on this phone here. In fact, I'll probably just show you, right? Nothing has been opened on my S26 Ultra. And right now, this tool is already changing my CSC. And honestly, yeah, I tested it and it works. After the change is successful, you only need to reboot your device. And you can do it straight from your device the manual way, or you can also do it from here. And actually I'm going to do it from here just to show you that this thing works. But first things first, let's wait for the process to complete. All right, CSC applied successfully. Now reboot to activate. Now, like I told you, I can click here and reboot my phone, or I can just simply execute the reboot device command, which is going to wait for like 5 seconds and then restart my S26 Ultra. Hopefully now with replacing my EUX CSC to the THL. Now at this point of time, you don't need this cable anymore. Phone now has been restarted. All right, my phone has been restarted, so I'm just scrolling in the software information and yeah, we can see THL. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to call my operator again. I'm calling my operator again and yep, we have this. I can press the record, stop call recording. Clearly it works, so I can now stop the recording. I can do another recording like that. All right, so let's record just a bit more. And now I'm gonna hang up the call. And here it is, guys. The call now has been dropped. And by the way, yep, now I have this call recording saved in internal storage. And as we can see, it works as a charm. Anyway, just a great tool, guys. So if you want to change your CSC and you have another Android phone, the Samsung CSC Changer by Fahad Ali Javed is able to do this thing. And by the way, this guy is showing some crazy good information about One UI 9.5. So just go and follow him on X. I'm gonna put the link down below in the video comments. Short video. I hope you enjoyed. Stay safe, VST over, and bye.